What's up, you guys? This is Jesse's Paint Jobs, and today we're going to be custom painting a S-Works Epic mountain bike frame and some Shox SID fork lowers. And in today's video, we're starting off by hitting this bike with some black sealer. And now that I'm all done spraying my black sealer, I'm going to go ahead and go clean this gun real quick and grab the small gun and my base paint. And I'm going to spray this whole bike with a nice light silver base. The reason for the silver base is because we're going to be spraying this bike with some red candy paint, and the silver offers a really nice base so that the red candy really pops. Now that I got done spraying the whole bike with that light silver, I'm going to trade the light silver out for a darker silver because that's what color we're going to be doing for the logos. Now that we got our logo color all sprayed onto the frame, we could go ahead and put our decals on. And if you guys are wondering what type of decal paper I use, you can go ahead and find most of the products I use tagged in the description below. Now that I got all my logos put onto the frame, I'm going to go back to that light silver base and cover up the dark gray. And for this paint job, we're going to be doing something similar to a marble effect, so I need to go and dab the entire bike with some black paint before we spray our red candy. And now that I got that black marble effect put onto the frame, I could go ahead and spray this bike with some red candy. Now I'm going to go through and unmask all the logos. So if you guys didn't know, I record all of my videos on my phone, and unfortunately my phone storage was full right at this point, so I lost out on a lot of footage. I ended up adding a black outline to all of the logos, and my phone it didn't capture all that, and I didn't realize that until I pretty much was done adding that black strip onto the frame. I did manage to record one clip of me unmasking the S-Works logo on the bottom tube of the frame, so you kind of get an idea of what I was doing there. This really sucks, and I didn't even get to video me clear coating the bike, but I did get videos of the bike once it was done, and I cleared some storage out on my phone. But I'm going to make sure that this never happens again, and I'm going to probably have to get some external storage for the future. So right here is just a clip of me unmasking the frame after I added that black strip around the logos. This is the bike all cleared in. Alright, you guys, that's all I got for you today. If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future videos, and don't forget we're going to be doing a giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to be painting one of your guys' bikes for free, so don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and we'll see you in the next one.